Double Dutch braids is one of Amelia's favorite ways to wear her hair for soccer. If you know how to French braid, Dutch braiding is so easy. You literally just take the hair and put them under the middle piece versus over the middle piece. But if you don't know how to French braid or Dutch braid, come along and I will show you exactly how to do it. Start by brushing out the hair really well. I use a brush first and then switch over to a fine tooth comb to make sure all of the tangles are completely out. Braiding the hair when it is wet allows you to get a much tighter braid, which will last longer, and they can sleep in it and wake up with wavy hair the next day. Once the hair is tangle-free, part it in the center from the front of the forehead all the way back to the nape of the neck. Now pick up a small section at the very front of the head and divide that section into 3 pieces, just like I'm doing here. Let's label those sections. The furthest one to the right will be number 1, the center one will be number 2, and the far left one will be number 3. So take section number 1 and pull it underneath section number 2. Now take section number 3 and place it underneath section number 1, which is now the middle piece. Section 2 is now on the right hand side, and you're going to pull it underneath the current middle section, which is section 3. But before you do, you're going to want to pick up some hair and add it to it. You can either use the end of a comb or your fingernail to pick up this piece of hair with a nice straight line. Now go to the left side and pull that section underneath the middle section, adding hair to it just like you did on the right. Now you will just repeat these steps over and over again until you have picked up all of the hair. Take the section from the right, pull it under the center, and add more hair to it. Take the section from the left, pull it under the center, and add more hair to it. Just the same steps over and over again. Once you have picked up all of the hair, you will transfer over to a traditional 3-strand braid. You can continue this braid as little or as long as you'd like. You can stop it right here where I'm at and just go ahead and put a rubber band in, or carry it all the way to the tip of the hair. Once you're done, secure it with an elastic. We like to use the little tiny ones, but you can use a bigger one if you'd like. You could also pull the 2 braids together and connect them in the middle with a ponytail holder as well.